Hey first grade, it's Miss Murphy. Happy Monday, and I am here to teach you math today. So let's look at our learning target. I can show numbers using a number rack. Well, I know what numbers are, but what's a number rack? So I'm going to show you. This is a number rack. Think about for a few minutes, what do you notice? What are some things you notice about the number rack? Think about it. What do you see? Yeah, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white beads on top and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red beads on top and 10 beads total on top. That means there must be 10 beads total on bottom. So there's 2 rows. There's white beads, there's red beads, and they're all pushed to one side. This is a number rack. So I can show numbers using a number rack, one of these. And you should have actually made your own in your class. So you should have made one that looks something like this, with 5 white beads and 5 red. And then you should have extra pipe cleaner or beads or one that was already made for you in your kit. So today I'm going to ask you to put these two together, kind of link them together. I'm just twisting the pipe cleaner kind of around each side so that they can be together. And now I have a number rack that looks very similar to this one. It's just smaller. But I want you to go and grab this, pause this video and grab your number racks, and I will wait. Okay, hopefully you're back with your pipe cleaner and bead number rack. So we are going to play a game, and it is called Show Me. So I want you to use your number rack. I'm going to use mine. And I want you to show me with the number rack the number 5. So when I want to show a number, they're all on this side. I want to move that number over to this side. So what number did I say? Yeah, 5. I want to show the number 5. So I could go like this. And now I'm showing the number 5. So I want you to show the number 5. Make the number 5 on your number rack. You could also do it a different way using the top and bottom row. So I could do 3, but I want 5. How many more do I need on the bottom row? Yeah, 2. Very good. So now I have 5. I could also do it a different way, doing 4. How many more do I need from the bottom row? 1. Very good. So you can make these numbers with me. Let's try another one. Show me 3. Make it on your number rack. Good. You can push over 3 on the top. Or let's try a different way. Let's just push over 1. How many more do I need from the bottom? Good job. 2. And let's count them up and make sure. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I was right. Let's try another way. Let's push 2 on the top. How many more do I need on the bottom to make 3? Yes, just 1. Awesome job. Let's try another number. Let's do 10. Ooh, we're getting crazy. Let's make 10. Show me on your number rack 10. I want you to do it first, and then I'm going to try. Show me 10. Yeah, I could just move over the whole top row makes 10. I don't even have to count, because when we went over at the beginning, We just already know the top row has 10. Do I need any more on the bottom? No. So let's try another way. I could do 5. How many more do I need on the bottom? 5. So that makes 10. 5 and 5 make 10. Let's do another one. What if I pushed over 7? 7. How many more do I need? 7, 8. Uh-oh. I have 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's try another one. Let's make 2. I want you to make 2 with your number rack. Remember, this is the starting position. All push to one side, and to make the number, you push it to the other. So let's make 2. If I just moved over 1, and 1 makes 2, or 2 and 0 make 2, or 0 up top and 2 on the bottom make 2. There's all different ways to make 2. Let's try 7. Try 7. Yeah, I could just count. I know that my red beads is 5, 6, 7, and 0 on the bottom. Or I could do 7 on the bottom and 0 on top. Or let's try, I only have 5. How many more do I need from the bottom? 5, 6, 7. There's all different ways to make these numbers. Try 9. I want you to try 9 on your own. Try 9 on your own. How many different ways can you make 9 using the top and the bottom with your beads? Very good. Okay, I'm going to put this down. And I want to tell you about a strategy with the number rack. So a strategy with the number rack to make the number the best way is you want to do as few pushes as possible. So I'm pushing these numbers over. So let's go back to the number 5. I want to make the number 5 in as few pushes as I can. So doing it this way, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 1, 2, that's 2 pushes. Or doing it this way, that's only 1 push. So I would want to do it that way. Let's try again with the number 2. I could do 1 plus 1, but that's 2 pushes. Let's try 2. That's just 1 push. We want to try doing it in as few pushes as possible. And now we can look at all the different ways to make these different numbers. Let me show you. So the number 5, we have the top row and the bottom row. You could do 5 and 0, 3 and 2, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 0 and 5. And that looks like this. 5 plus 0 equals 5, or 3 plus 2 equals 5, or 4 plus 1 equals 5. All of these combinations equal 5. So let's try it with 10. How many different ways can you make 10? We already tried it on our number rack, but why don't you pause this video, make this chart in your notebook, and tell me the different ways to make 10. I'll give you a hint. You can do 5 and 5, 9 and 1. What are the other ways that you can make 10? Tell me, show me in your notebook. Draw this chart in your notebook and write out the different ways you can make 10 using your number rack. Play with it. 5, 10, we're moving, we're playing, and it's a really great way to review your numbers. Try it with different numbers in your notebook. You also have an assignment to practice this in Google Classroom and have a number rack you can play with online. So we're going to continue using these number racks all week and learning how to make numbers.